promise to love you like the sun shines on the earth, unconditionally and dependable. I promise to continue to add to your happiness and help you find it if it goes missing. I love the person you are today, as well as who I know you will become. I promise to say good morning and good night. I promise to be loyal and keep you in my heart all of the days of my life.
Stuck inside the world of love, wheels keep spinning round. No matter how hard we try, it stays the same. We're moving circles, dizzying.
Some of you have traveled great distances to be here today. People from Costa Rica, from Germany, California, Colorado, Oregon, not to mention Cedarburg, Elm Grove, and places in between. It's a day made beautiful by their love for each other, and especially by the grace of their parents who love them so very much, and all of you as family and friends who love them as well.
We're thrown off course, we'll be alright. I know you're mine, and I am yours. So take a breath, take it deep, and then exhale. We will meet again.
I have adored you from the day I laid eyes on you when you were a baby. And though when I first met you, you were far from a baby, I adored you too. Because of the light in your eyes when you looked at this girl and the light that came back from her. May you never lose that light in your eyes for one another.
So I'll see you at the end of the aisle. I hope you smile and maybe cry.
This is a rock from Mount Hood. It represents a way to share one of our favorite places with the people that are closest to our heart on one of our best days. It became a special place for he and I on a clear December day when he asked me to marry him there. And it's continued to be a special place. It's where we go to relax and unwind and remember all the things that we have to be thankful for.
And you are mine, so take a breath, take it deep, and then exhale. We will be forever young.
I promise I will always love you, and I'll always hold your hands, and I'll continue to grow with you, and let you push me into new things, because I've never been happier in my life. I love coming home to you, and I'm going to continue to do that. I love you with all my heart.
I love you.